Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Jevan. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to explore new technologies that help in marine environmental protection compliance. From AI-powered monitoring system to eco-friendly ship innovation. These advancements are shaping the future of sustainable oceans. So let's get started. Marine environmental protection is not just a fancy term. It's about following laws and regulation to reduce human impact on our oceans. Think of international agreement in MARPOL, International Convention of the Prevention of Pollution from Ship, or national laws aimed to cutting down waste and emissions. But enforcing these rules is not easy, which is where technology comes to rescue. For example, many ports worldwide are now using real-time water quality sensor to detect chemical pollutants and oil spills, ensuring that companies comply with regulation before they even leave the dock. First up, we have artificial intelligence, AI, monitoring system. These smart systems use satellite imagery, drones, and machine learning to detect oil spills, illegal waste, dumping, and other environmental violations. Take Skyroot. For example, this nonprofit uses satellite AI to track ocean pollution in real time, alerting authorities when illegal activities occur. This means fewer violators and cleaner oceans. Next, let's talk about green shipping, a game changer in marine compliance. Traditional ships rely on dirty fossil fuels, but new technologies are paving the way for cleaner alternatives like liquefied natural gas or LNG, hydrogen, fuel cells, and biofuels, and even wind assist propulsions. Take the MS Roald Amundsen, a hybrid-powered cruise ship that reduces carbon emission using battery technology. Another breakthrough is Oceanbird, a futuristic cargo ship designed with massive wind-powered sails that can reduce fuel consumption by 90%. By switching to low-emission propulsion systems, the shipping industry can drastically cut its environmental footprints while staying compliant with strict emission regulations. Imagine tiny robots swing through the ocean, monitoring pollution levels 24/7, while autonomous underwater drones are making this a reality. Take the Waste Shark, for instance. This drone acts like a Roomba for the ocean, collecting floating plastic and testing. Another example is Seaver's Yoko Micro AUV, a drone that dives deep to analyze chemical pollutants and detect illegal sewage disposal. Next is Orca Robotics is working on AI-powered underwater drones that can detect and respond to oil spill in real time, preventing further damage to marine ecosystem. Technologies like this help authorities monitor compliance with environmental regulation more efficiently and take action before problems escalate. Oil spills are one of the most disastrous environmental threats to marine life, but technology is stepping in to help. Sea swarms are fleets of robotic boats developed by MIT that can autonomously clean oil spill using sponge-like nanomaterials that absorb oil but not water. OSRV, Oil Spill Response Vessels, now can equipped but advanced Oil Spill Response Vessel, now come equipped with advanced skimmers and biodegradable dispersant that break down oil without harming marine life. This innovation help enforce environmental laws by minimizing the impact of accidental spills and ensuring that companies take responsible for cleanup. Technology is revolutionizing marine environmental protection, making compliance easier and more effective than ever before. But here's the catch. It's up to government, companies, and individuals to adopt this innovation and push for stricter enforcement. So, what do you think? Do you believe these technologies can save our ocean? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching and let's keep our ocean clean. See you in the next one.